Hey YouTubers, Menno here, and today I want to show you a little something called Classic Shell to get your start menu back in Windows 8. So first off, I'm gonna hop into my Windows 8 in VirtualBox. I'll show you guys this in full screen. Here we go. So first thing you want to do is open up your browser and go to classicshell.net and click on the big green download button right here. I'll put a link in the description of this video for the download. Wait a few seconds. Click on Run. Now the installation is pretty straightforward. Just click on Next, accept the terms of the license agreement, and click on Next. Click Next and Install. And then Windows is going to pop up, and yes, you do want to install this. I'm just going to minimize the browser right here. No, I don't want to read the README file, and just click on Finish. So after installing Classic Shell, it should show up in the bottom left corner right here. You can click on it and it will open up your start menu. Also, when you press one of the Windows keys on your keyboard, it will show up. Now the downside about this is it's a bit inconvenient to go back to your Metro interface. What you can do is go to Apps and open up one of these apps. Then press the Windows key to go back to your desktop. Move the mouse in the top left corner. Now move it downwards, and you can click on Start here, or you can type in the Windows plus Tab key and tap down to your Start menu right here, and you can click on the desktop right here to go back to your desktop. It also automatically starts up to your desktop environment. Now if you don't want this, just right click on Start, click on Settings, go to Windows 8 Settings, and here you can see it automatically skips the Metro screen to go to your desktop environment. If you don't want that, just take that off and click on OK. Now if you don't want this shell showing up as an icon, but instead you want like a Windows logo, just open up your browser and go to Classic, type in Classic Shell, what was it, facebook.com/classic shell. Click on Get Start Buttons. This is, by the way, their Facebook page. Just click on Get Start Buttons. It will automatically take you to the forums. And click on this one, Simple Windows 7 RGB. I will put a link of this in the description of this video. Now right click on this image and save picture as. And for this I'm gonna save this on the desktop. Close your browser. Now the downside about this is if you set the image to be this icon and you delete this image later on, it will automatically go back to the default icon, which is this shell right here. So what I like to do is go to local disk, program files, classic shell, and create a folder here. Just call this start icons, and copy this image in there. Right click on, oh wait, let's close this. Just right click on Start, go to Settings, and go to, what was it again, Start button. Click on Custom button, click here in this line, click on the three dots to browse for your file. Already know what that is. That's computer, local disk, program files, classic shell, start icons, and there it is. Just double click on that, click on OK, and it will show up as the actual Windows logo. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section down below what you think it is, if you run into any problems, if it helped you, if it didn't help you. Also, if you have any suggestions for other future videos, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you want to be notified for new videos coming out by me, so you can subscribe to my channel. Always appreciate that, and just let me know how this worked out for you, and have a nice day.